I'm going to talk about one of the most important but overlooked topics in the world, and that is human overpopulation and how we're devastating all other species. Now, as you can see, exponentially we have grown in the last 1,000 or so years. Now, this is the growth for developed countries versus undeveloped or different continents. Now, undeveloped continents seem to grow more, so we need to provide birth control to them, which also would alleviate human suffering, as many cannot afford basic human needs. Now, we see here our toll on other species. We have endangered species or threatened species by the thousands, and extinct many. Now, you need to look no further than our factory farms and fish farms. This is due to trawler nets overfishing. These are nets the size of football fields, raping oceans and grabbing everything. And now we have dead zones, and we need to have fish farms due to overfishing. And also I want to add that it's hard to be an environmentalist if you're not eating plant-based or vegan. So here's more on human population growth. And now we're going to look at the Earth clock. Now, obviously we're growing. Now, some people will come up with the argument that we could fit everyone in the size of Texas, but we cannot get all of our resources, and we are not sustainably living with pollution of waters, lands, and air. Look at China, smog-filled highways, and so forth. So here's just some population clock by continent and country. Now this is podwaddle.com. Look in the upper left-hand corner for the site. So we're growing exponentially. By country. Now this is a very ignored topic, but we need to have free birth control access. No one should have a child that they don't want, especially in America with 450,000, near 500,000 kids and teenagers in the foster care system in America alone. And our population growth is also due to technology as well as medicine, less deaths. Now here's how we are destroying the environment and all other species. As I said, look up a factory farm video and fish farms and trawler nets. Awful. Pets are overpopulated too due to breeders and puppy mills. So people aren't the only thing that is overpopulated. Some people claim that deer are overpopulated as an excuse to hunt them. No, we are deforesting and cutting in on their habitats and destroying everything for all species. So we should offer free birth control. It saves taxpayer money, be a prevention. No one should have unwanted children, especially when so many are waiting to be adopted, especially kids and teenagers. So there's a lot of different other issues you can look on here. Again, the website in the top left corner. Humans are overpopulated. It's unsustainable. Childless people and gays should get tax refunds instead of child tax credits. We have to pay for public schools, and this is for living within our means. We have to pay for so-called socialist public schools when we can go without health care. Answer that, Republicans. Do you ever turn down your public schools or your child tax credits and all the other benefits that all parents get? Republicans think we don't have enough kids, so are against birth control access. So this is just some of the issues. So again, podwaddle.com. as we invent new things and live longer, our population also goes up. We are not the only species, we just act like it. Millions of species of mammals, we are animals, to look up factory farm and commercial fishing with trawler nets. Smog-filled highways, polluted water, which is killing people, and many other concerns. Support free birth control access and tax credits and benefits for childless and gays. Stop the financial discrimination. Thank you for caring. Please share the site.